Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. And today, we're gonna diving into wild world moments in classroom life. Pero with a twist. We're gonna use bubble word in hugot moments. So ano, what you ready for? Arat na! Okay, in this session, let's start in basic word. Ano ba ang pet na no? Oh, come on. Pet na means coolerism, right? Parang na-perfect ka lang sa exam, pero sa panaginip lang. Okay, next up. Sino ang nabungi sa bahay? Ang iyong kadiba ay iyong magulang at guro. Good choices. Pero minsan ang iyong lode hindi ka pinapansin, kagaya ng crush mo, sin lang. Now, let's connect the bubble words into good moments. Chika is gossip. Parang yung chika ng crush ka rin ng crush mo, pero hindi pala. Next, jowa. Jowa is girlfriend or boyfriend. Pero minsan, mas mahal pa niya ang Mobile Legend kaysa sa'yo. Aww! Apple means someone who interferes. Parang yung feeling na gusto mo na mabukon pero biglang nag-chat yung ex.
Okay, tagal din kita.
So mga tol, life in the classroom can be a roller coaster. May pet na no, may hagot moments, but always remember, huwag maging apple sa buhay ng iba. And always choose yourself, okay? That's it all for today. Sana na-enjoy nyo ang ating balbal at hugot adventure. See you next time. Peace out!